All right, hello everybody. How you doing? Hope you're doing well. Hope you're having a fabulous day. Today is going to be really cool. So what you see in front of you is my Ninja 500. And I got these. All right, so as you guys saw, we have leovince. Got a slip-on exhaust. So here's our exhaust here. I opened it already, so. This is our slip-on. Is that reflective? Is that a sticker? All right, let's see. Cool. All right, now that all has been read, let's see if we can start this install. Oh, okay. This will help. Only pictures with this guy. All right, so I guess we can start by disassembling this. I forgot all my tools. Be right back. All right, we have returned. We're going to start by disassembling the exhaust here. There are a couple of spots where we have to do some work, so we have to remove that. We have to remove that, and if I can get it, that. So first, let's start here. So I'm praying that this is a 5, or I mean, a 10. It is in fact a 10. Let's see. So we'll start by okay. It wasn't that bad to break loose. Probably should Oh, is there a bolt back here? There is. Oh, almost lost something important. Okay. Oh, I should do it before and after before we get started. Yeah, that's the current. Sounds pretty all right. All right, I'm gonna let that hold this in place for now. And while that does that, I'm gonna change our focus to what? Focus to these down here. Oh, that's tight. Okay. There's a suspicious car It's just sitting outside of my house right now. I don't know why. Okay, that's off. And I think, is this a 5? It is. I thought it was a ratchet for a sec. Okay. All right. That has Loctite on it. Loctite yellow? I don't know if I've ever seen that. All right, so now, this other bolt here, I believe it is also a 10. It is not a 10. What are you, my friend? What are you, my friend? Are you a 12? Perhaps a 12 you are. Apparently I lost it. It was right there. All right. That broke loose pretty easy. Okay, we have undone clamp. Clamp is done. So I believe if I carefully take this out, this should slip off. Let's try to do that without hurting myself. Just gently rock it back and forth. Somebody's having fun. And pop, there we go. This thing has some heft to it. It's pretty heavy. I would do a straight pipe start just to show how stupid it sounds. But I have neighbors and I'm a nice neighbor, so I don't want to be that guy. So we're just gonna continue ahead here. All right, so let's see. I think now we need this guy. Nice and shiny. I probably should be wearing gloves with this, but I'm gonna wipe it down afterwards, so hopefully it's fine. Okay, so per the instructions, I believe these two go on to one another. That's pretty snug. There is a clamp here. This clamp will go onto the exhaust and hold it in place. So if I can get the rubber back on. All right, that was a pain to get on, but we got it. So now we're going to slip the exhaust on. Which that goes there. I think this adjusts a tiny bit. Like this. And this goes here. But to get that on, let me not let that sit. Okay, so the clamp sandwiches here, and this dude goes there. I think that goes on the other side. I think it goes on the other side of this, or maybe, I'm pretty sure it goes here, so that it spaces the exhaust away. So let me get those parts so we can start mounting that, and I don't have to let it sit while I fish the right screws. So let's put this on. Somebody is really revving their stiff. I don't know what bike that would be. So let's put this through here. This ring is very tough. Aluminum spacer. And we wanted to go in there, right? Yeah. Oh boy, that's a tight fit right there. Tis a very tight fit. Is this supposed to go on there like that? I'm pretty sure. I'm worried I'm not following the directions correctly. That just seems really tight. Really, really tight. Okay, I'm gonna see if I can sandwich that on there. All right, you really gotta like sandwich that in there. That was tough. It left an impression on my hand. All right, so now that's bigger?
He's bigger. He's bigger than we used to be.
Oh yeah, bigger. Let's tighten this and do so. What size is this? Not that one. Is that a 13? Yeah. Really? It is a 13. Actually, I should probably not tighten that up right now. Let's make sure we got everything adjusted correctly. Oh no! I didn't take off the other. I didn't take off the old band clamp. Oh, jeez. Okay. Well, maybe I could take it off. Where's my screwdriver? Got a little too distracted. That's gonna be a bitch and a half to get off, so I'm just gonna undo it from here. Okay. Old band clamp off. Damn, everybody's out ripping. Oh great, the new band clamp has to go on the same way. All right, so definitely in the future, make sure to put this stuff on before. It'll be a lot easier. I'm gonna have to try to, I hope I could get this on. We're gonna try. But yeah, it's easier. It'll be easier if you put this on first. Instead of trying to match it up after the fact. Because now I'm gonna have to awkwardly get this over here. Actually, it might scratch. I don't want it to scratch. I'm trying. Okay, there we go. There we go. So now I think we could tighten this up. You don't want to make these too tight. You want to just snug them up so it holds well enough. Brilliant. All right. Nice and snug. All right, I guess that is right. I hope that's right. All right, now that that's done, I think we could do the spring and put the spring on. And there should be a little tool to assist us with that. So I think it goes on here. And there's a tool somewhere. There's a tool somewhere. There is a tool somewhere. Anywhere. Okay, so we want to hook that up there, so I'm gonna have to get up for this. Oh, that's a strong spring. There we go.
You win!
That installation is complete, and isn't it pretty? All right, so let's see what it sounds like. All right. Oh my God. Okay. All right. I see you. Let me see. Do we want to use the DB killer? Let me see what it sounds like with the DB killer. That's the first time I heard the fuel pump. I don't know what I like better. I guess what we'll try to do is we'll ride around with it unrestricted for a little while, see how I like it, and if it's too loud, then I'll quiet it down. I have that option. All right, guys. Well, thank you for watching this install. I'll see if I can get a riding video together to see what it sounds like. Until next time. I mean, it's loud. It's for sure.